Hi guys, I'm Marcela and we're finally back with another video. We took a break, but we are back with this beautiful hairstyle. I'm going to show you step by step how to do a 5-strand braid and to finish it with a bow.
Welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to do 2 5-strand braids with a bow made out of hair. Let's start.
First of all, I'm going to prepare the hair with our golden elixir. With just 1 drop, I rub it into my hands and I'm going to apply it all along the hair. As you can see, she has beautiful waves. The hair is so shiny and ready to start braiding. Now we're going to start by doing a division in the middle of the head from the forehead to the neck, and we're going to hold one of the sections. On this side, I'm going to start by picking up a small piece of hair, split it into 3 equal pieces, and in here I'm going to cross the outside strands over the middle strand. Perfect. Now we're going to add another strand to the braid, so we're gonna grab a small piece of hair and cross it under and over the next strand. So we have 4 strands here, and now we are going to add another strand from the other side. I'm going to put this strand on the side, grab a small piece of hair and pass it to the middle. So we have 2 strands on the left side and 3 strands on the right side. Perfect. In here we're going to start adding hair. So pass the first strand through the middle of the other 2 strands. I'm going to hold that one on the side, and now I can add hair to this strand. Now bring it back, tie the braid a little bit, and from the left side pass the first strand through the middle. And now we can add hair to the braid. Bring back this strand and tie the braid a little bit. Perfect. Now again from the right side, pass the first strand to the middle of the other 2. I'm going to hold this one aside and add hair to the braid. I'm going to bring back this section, and now from the left side, pass the first strand through the middle of the other 2 strands, hold this one aside, and grab a piece of hair to add it to the braid. Bring this section back, and we're going to do one more time the same steps. From the right side, pass the first strand to the middle of the other 2 strands, hold it aside, and add hair to the braid. This is the easiest way that I have to do a 5-strand braid, so we can start the braid very easily and add the strands until we have 5. So in here, pass the first strand through the middle of the other 2 strands, hold this one aside, and add hair to the braid. In here, we're going to keep doing the same steps over and over again until we add the remaining hair. Okay, I almost finished here, so I'm going to do one more stitch on each side, and then we can hold the braid with an elastic band. Next, I'm going to do the bow, so we're going to grab a tiny piece of hair, comb it, and using a topsy tail, I'm going to pass it underneath the elastics, pass the hair through the loop, And now we're going to pull the topsy tail to the other side. In here, I'm going to help with my finger to keep the shape that I want and pass the hair to the other side. Now we're going to do the other half of the bow, so grab a tiny piece of hair and as well with the topsy tail, pass it underneath the elastics, pass the hair through the loop and pull it to the other side. Now the final touch is the middle section, so grab a tiny piece of hair and we do the same thing. Pass the topsy tail underneath the elastics and pull the hair to the other side. Perfect. When we are ready, we can fix the shape of the bow and make it as big as we want. With the remaining hair, if you want, you can do waves or just leave it like that, like I'm doing today. For the other side, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to explain just how to start the braid. So we start with 3 equal pieces and I'm going to cross this strand over the middle one. Now cross this one over the middle one. Put this one aside and we're going to add another strand to the braid. So we have 4 strands here, and from the other side I'm going to put this strand aside, grab a tiny piece of hair, and this one will be my 5th strand. From now on, you can keep doing the same steps that I explained before to add the hair to the braid and finish the hairstyle. Perfect, the bow is done. And here we have the final result.
We hope you liked this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. And if you want to see more from us, go and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you on the next video. Bye!